Hello everyone, today I will show you how to restore archived story on Instagram. So at first open your Instagram, click on to profile, click on three line and showing it to archived or your activity, and showing it to archived, just click on to select story archived, post, live. I'm select only story and click on to three dot to setting. We just enable this option and go back, select story that you wanna restore, select and just click on to share, to post. Okay, now check. So look here, now successfully restore archived story.